Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. You look absolutely lovely, but today I have an item that's gonna make you look even more lovely. Today we're reviewing Booyah, the water flosser. Now you might be wondering, why are you doing a water flosser review on your channel? And the answer to that is almost anyone or everyone can use a water flosser. Today we're going to be talking about this water flosser. We're going to be talking about what a water flosser is, who it's beneficial for, and how it could take your teeth game to the next level. So first, what is a water flosser? A water flosser is essentially a pressure washer for your teeth. And I was thinking about what to say in this area, and honestly, that's the most accurate description of a water flosser. Essentially, it just pressure washes in between your teeth. It blows out all the nastiness of what you ate previously so you don't get cavities. Now, I got this water flosser because I used to brush good or great, and I didn't floss that well. And I got lazy with flossing. Every time I went to the dentist, he was like, "You don't floss, do you?" And I was like, "Yes, I do." He was like, "No, you don't. I know you don't." So I got some aligners and I decided, let me go ahead and take my game up to the next level, because if you have aligners on and if you have like small pieces of food underneath your aligners, your chances of getting a cavity actually skyrocket. So I went ahead, said, fine, I'll buy a water flosser. It'll be much easier. And I have to say, I don't regret it one bit. So let's look at this water flosser. Now, this isn't a waterpik, which is the original brand. This is a Hairby water flosser that I got off Amazon for like $35. So not that expensive at all, but it is impressive. Now, it has 10 pressure settings, which means even if you have super sensitive gums or super tough gums, you can use this single water flosser. Now, this one is a plug-in version. There are cordless versions, but they're not as strong because the plug-in socket gives it much more power since it's coming directly from the wall. But anyways, the smaller ones are cordless and they have a smaller water holder. This specific one can hold 600 milliliters of water, which means you can do all of your flossing in one go and you don't have to refill the tank. Now, as I said, pressure settings right here, you twist the knob for the pressure, and then this is the power on, power off, which allows the pressure to come through this attachment right here. Now, we also have a lid that holds a lot of attachments within it, a brush, tongue scraper, a whole bunch of stuff to clean your teeth, and it even has brace attachments. So if you have braces, you can get in between there without damaging your braces, and you can do your flossing so much quicker if you have braces with a water flosser. Weirdly worded, but I hope you got it. And then we have a little hose right here that springs up and you can take it pretty far away. So this thing, the machine actually stays stationary and you could do your flossing. Now, the lovely thing about this is it doesn't slide because it has 4 small suction cups, and once you attach it to your sink, it's really not gonna go anywhere. Now, I'm gonna try to include a little video of it working and show how powerful it can get. Honestly, the first time I used this thing, I thought it was gonna blow my teeth out, and I'm not even being sarcastic or trying to be funny. Like, this thing is crazy powerful on the level 10 setting. It fires a stream like 15 feet away, so really quite nice. I absolutely love this thing. If you haven't already checked out a water flosser, I'll leave a link in the description below giving you an amazing deal and giving me some affiliate revenue for it. So definitely check that link out. It helps both of us. We both win. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.